So in the previous videos we have used zonal statistics with vector data sets, but in this video I am going to show you how we can filter data sets which refers to raster data, and also how we can obtain raster data based on geographical location. So first of all, I am going to create a variable from the country's vector data sets to import raster data sets related to that particular country. So for this example I use Mongolia. So we can create variable for Mongolia. So we can obtain the data set from the categories from data catalog, and then we have to write the filter function. Filter So let's run the program and check whether it is correct. So we don't see any errors in here. So then we are going to load Landsat 8 based on EVI value. For that we are going to create the image collection. And then we are going to get the unique ID for that Landsat dataset. And then we are going to use the previously created variable to filter boundaries of this EVI value, considering the Mongolian region. And then we can also give a date range. So in this case I am interested in all the images of EVI value from 2018 to 2020. So now we can compute average statistics from the image collection. For that we have to create another variable for the mean value. And then we can print mean. Finally, in order to weave the mean raster data set that we have compiled by combining the feature bounds and the filter dates, we can add this as a map layer. So if you like, you can give the color combination. and we can set the map center object also. And give the zoom level as 5. Now let's run the program. So the problem is that we have used Mongolia DM capital. So either we can change this into lowercase, or we can change this one into uppercase. Now run it again. I think the problem is that we have to mention this variable in a lowercase letter. Now run it again. So we can see the layer set is loading. Once this black color turns white, we can denote that the entire image is finished loading. Since Mongolia is a country with huge extent, it might take some time to load the entire data set. So likewise, since it is taking quite a huge time, we'll change it to a smaller country like Sri Lanka and see how the EVI value is shown. So we can also speed up the loading process by reducing the number of images that we will be using to create the mean. So let's run it again. So now you can see the average EVI value raster for that particular region and also the period. So likewise we can conduct Zonal statistics and also filter datasets based on the geographical location. See you in the next video.